Hello, I am Zachary Grider here, and we're about ready to start the weekly test. I hope you enjoy. And yes, this shirt is kind of related to the other channel.
Friday, partly sunny until midday, then becoming mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-50s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Friday night, partly cloudy. Areas of frost. Lows in the mid-30s. Saturday, partly sunny. Highs in the upper 50s. Saturday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-30s. Sunday, partly sunny. Highs in the upper 50s. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-30s. Monday, mostly sunny until midday, then becoming partly sunny. Highs in the upper 50s. Monday night, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of rain showers. Lows in the mid-30s. Tuesday, partly sunny with a 20% chance of rain showers. Highs in the lower 50s. Thanks for listening to NOAA weather radio station KZZ33, transmitting on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz from the broadcast tower of Central Michigan University, courtesy of the CMU Public Broadcast Center. The current time is 11:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Conditions around the area at 11 a.m. At Mount Pleasant, it was cloudy. This is the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids. The signal you just heard was our weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm System. We normally conduct the test on Wednesdays around 11:15 in the morning. However, if there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, we will postpone the test until the next available good weather day. Be advised that weather conditions will affect the signal quality of the broadcast. We will activate the warning alarm tone for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties. On 162.40 megahertz from Onondaga, those counties are Branch, Calhoun, Clinton, Eaton, Gratiot, Hillsdale, Ingham, Jackson, Livingston, and Shiawassee. On 162.425 from West Olive, those counties are Allegan, Muskegon, and Ottawa. On 162.475 from Hesperia, those counties are Muskegon, Newaygo, and Oceana. On 162.525 from Mount Pleasant, those counties are Clare, Gratiot, Isabella, Mecosta, Midland, Montcalm, and Osceola. On 162.55 from Cannonsburg, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Ionia, Kent, Montcalm, Muskegon, Newaygo, Oceana, and Ottawa. On 162.475 from Plainwell, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Van Buren, Kalamazoo, and Calhoun. On 162.425 from Wolf Lake, those counties are Manistee, Wexford, Mason, Lake, Osceola, Oceana, Newaygo, and Mecosta. This concludes the test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm device. Now here is your local forecast. Rest of today, mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of rain
Okay, you
showers.
finally activated like you were supposed to do.
Winds 10 to 15
Thank you.
miles per hour.
And I clapped.
Tonight,
So thank you
chance
for
of rain
watching
showers,
and
possibly mixed with
thank
snow
you for
showers
listening
in the
to this
evening.
weekly
Then rain
test.
and snow
Have a good
showers
day.
likely.
So, we're trying to figure out what Magenta is excited to do when she gets her glasses. And our clues are Magenta's house, a window, and blue. So what could Magenta be excited to do when she gets her glasses with her house, a window,